Hi there! This is Mrs. Oldakowski, and I just wanted to make a short video just to introduce myself to you. Oh, hello. I'm Mrs. Oldakowski, and I'm excited and I'd like to tell you a little bit about me. So, as I've said numerous times, my name is Mrs. Oldakowski. You can think of that as an old cow skiing. And just to tell you a little bit about my background, I went to Penn State University. I grew up in Pennsylvania, and many of the people who live in Pennsylvania go to Penn State University. And I majored, for my bachelor's degree, I majored in anthropology. And so anthropology is like the study of cultures and also archaeology. So kind of like Indiana Jones, if you've seen those movies. But really, it was more like learning to be a good waitress, because there's not a lot of jobs in anthropology. And so I ended up moving to Boston, where I ended up meeting my husband. And then we had 3 kids, and we adopted a 4th. And so we moved to Ocam. After that, when the kids got a little bit older, I got a job as a paraprofessional at Quabbin Regional Schools, and I worked in the elementary school until one day they decided that they were going to move me up to the high school, and I was a little worried about that, but it ended up being great. I thought that the high school kids would be a little bit scary, but really they were just bigger elementary school kids. So I really loved being at the high school, and I ended up going back for my master's degree in education, and I went to Bay Path University. And then I started working at Ware Public Schools about 8 years ago, and this is my 8th year of working there, or working here. And just so you know, for health and wellness, like how was I a special ed teacher and now I'm your health teacher? Well, about 5 years ago, I needed to really lose some weight. And it was really hard to do. I worked with a nutritionist, and it took me a long time to kind of figure out what the best food was for me to eat, what the best diets were, and what I should, how I should try to live my life if I wanted to lose weight and be healthy. Right now, I'm an aspiring fitness instructor, and I'm also working towards being a health coach. Here's me being a yoga master. Thanks for watching!